We were paid $1,000 to put slime on this car. What can possibly go wrong? We're also going to be cleaning the world's dirtiest car, as well as this super rare Ferrari. And now we're going to apply 4 different colors: blue, yellow, green, pink. So let's get started. Very satisfying. Just sit back, subscribe and enjoy the show. Now let's add green and see how it looks. The final color is pink. Which of the 4 colors is your favorite? Let's pressure wash this off. This looks like a work of art. Smells so good. Absolutely unreal. Subscribe for more. What on earth is that? Come on chaps, let's check this out. So there seems to have been some sort of animal living in my engine bay. Man, that's a mess. I'm gonna be cleaning this engine without water. Follow along to see how we do it. Just look at all of that fur and dirt it's left behind. I start off by taking out the debris from the engine. Now we use the hoover to go around the edges and on the fabric surface. While some people pressure wash their engines, I avoid it due to hearing of numerous cases of engine damage resulting in failure to start the car. And there's even a sign in here telling you not to pressure wash it. Now I use a dirt remover in a pump sprayer. This mixes the liquid with air, producing foam, which will not soak the engine. Now that I've brushed every visible surface, I wipe it dry with a microfiber cloth and then add some dressing on the plastic parts. Okay chaps, so we've now been called to clean the world's dirtiest car. But first, let's quickly finish off this Mercedes. Stay tuned as we'll be also showing the insane before and after results later in this video. All that dirt coming out. Let's do the final rinse off. This pink and blue goes so well together. This is the world's dirtiest car and is about to become the world's cleanest car. To achieve this, we are going to use some of the most extreme car cleaning techniques. But first, let's look at the mess we are working with. As you can see, it's completely covered in dirt. And the steering wheel is super oily, while a thick layer of dust covers the rest of the car. This car is actually quite expensive, so I don't know how the owner let it get into this condition. Let's take out my trusty vacuum and detailing brush to first remove the dust and crumbs, or whatever they are. The nasty carpets are up next. We've got a big job on our hands. Comment below, how long do you think it was since this car was last cleaned? Also, what is the longest you have gone without washing your own car? Chaps, we're going to bring this £1 coin back to life. Well, at least we're going to try anyways. With that done, let's deal with these carpets, which are still very brown and embedded with dirt. So much mud is being extracted from the carpet fibers. This spot right here needs some extra work. This scrub pad has some kind of velcro-like fibers, which do an excellent job on the interior surfaces. For the most advanced car cleaning products, head over to tinocarcare.com. So a lot of people ask me, Tino, how do you clean holes in these seats? The secret is you need a pin and you basically just need to gently dig into the hole, and just like that, it's clean. Let's take care of some final details which are easy to overlook. These pedals have released a lot of gunk, which is why I have left cleaning the lower carpets for last. Before we have a look at these results, let's first go clean this amazingly rare Ferrari. Time for some satisfying exterior washing. Look how much brake dust is released from the wheels. A lot of you have been curious about this brush I use on the wheelbarrows. This is the Tino wheel brush, which can fit in some of the tightest gaps, such as an Apple Watch, a bottle, and even a keyring. This makes it perfect as it is safe to use on any kind of wheel, as it fits into that small gap between the wheel and disc. Let's snow foam this yellow classic. Chaps, comment below if there is anything you'd like to see us do on the channel. This soap is the safest way of removing dirt from this classic car, as I then rinse it all off with my pressure washer. Time for hand washing. Check it out, I am using a ceramic snow foam to protect the exterior of this car and keep it cleaner for longer. Let's proceed by drying this car. So guys, throughout the years I have gained a vast amount of experience in the car cleaning world, and the main purpose of this channel is to pass down all of this knowledge, experience and skill to you. The weather is not looking too good once again. Let's begin the interior and try and get this wrapped up before we are caught by the rain. The leather seats and steering wheel is cleaned and disinfected. So chaps, the main reason we're called is to work on these vents. They are covered in a sticky black gluey substance, and anytime someone touches it, their hands turn black and sticky. Look at this chaps, all that dirty colour has come off. So chaps, as you can see, we finally removed all of it. It took us a good 30-40 minutes, and it does look a lot better than before. I've dealt with a lot of this stuff before, as I've experienced in the past people spray painting their seats black just so they can sell the car to another person. But when the new owner comes and he sits on the seats, he gets a lot of marks on his trousers, which is not a good look. Now I'm going to be using the exterior detailer to give this car a super shine. The tyres are dressed to complete this detail. Now, let's take a look at all of the results. This Porsche has undergone the most amazing transformation. My engine bay that we did is looking fresh too. Hopefully no more foxes decide to call it home again. I must say, the Ferrari is also looking like brand new, especially those vents. It's not all good news though. Just as we were finishing the Mercedes, heavy rain began ruining our hard work. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and here are 2 more videos I think you'll like.